Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with the new Ginger Quilter box. Here it is. We're going to take a peek inside and see what we have. It just came today. Alrighty, so here is the paperwork. Whoops, that's what it looks like. And this is the June, let's make sure, it's called the June 2023, and it's called the Apron Box. That's what it says. So let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a 45mm rotary cutter. There we go. This is the one. This is the type that I like to take apart on the back. They've got different assemblies of them. And then we have the Amanda Jane 7-pocket work apron by Villa Rose Designs. If any of you know I don't know why I was going to say Villa Rose Designs. They always come on one of these, no matter what kind of pattern. She has a whole bunch of patterns on these. I've bought a whole bunch of them. The whole thing, the entire directions are on the back of the card. And it gives you a picture. Okay. Alrighty, and we have, let's see, we have a little, oh my gosh, I can't remember what it is. Hedgehog. A little hedgehog. It's a sticker. And then we have I think it says Authentic Dutch, I guess it's a Throttle. Is that what it is? I don't know, because I've never had one. I think my granddaughters had it. And it shows you what they've done is they put it over the top of your coffee or tea. I'll have to read the directions. You can't smell it through that container. Okay, and then we have the fabric to make the apron. Yeah, but let me show you the fabric. This is pretty. Look at that. It's called Songbook. That's who it is. It says Stephanie Slim Whiskey Fancy That Design House. Putting a song book. And then, oh, this is cute. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Go. So it's got 4 pieces of fabric, and then there is a tea towel in here. And let me show you that. Open it up here. Look at this. That's a good sized towel too. Okay, so, yes, Songbook, new page by Fancy That Design House. That's the fabric. And I'm not sure if I pronounced this heart-shaped, I don't know if that's a strufel. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now, she had made a comment that they were going to have simply stars, so they're going to change it. She said they're going to have that in August instead of July, which she had said last month. So go ahead and get on the website, and it is, I thought there was another, nope, it's just gingerquilterbox.com, and like I told you the last weekend, you have to get on a wait list to enroll in this, all right? So I will see you next time, and thank you very much. The young lady's name is Natalie, so I want to thank Natalie for the box, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you get one. Okay, here is everything that came in the box. Here is the contact information. And check out her website. She's got some really good things on it, y'all. I looked at it. There's the towel, tea towel, and the fabric. And this apron is not complicated, by the way. And you can always change it up if you didn't want to use it for a work apron. You know, you can use it for the apron for the kitchen. Okay, and it's from a small to a 3X. Okay, All right, thanks for watching. Thanks again, Natalie. Bye-bye.